Welcome back to my channel, Learning Spanish with Words. Today, I'm having a departure from my normal format of going through the English alphabet, and I'm going to concentrate today on verbs. I really feel that it is very important to understand verbs, because without that knowledge, it can be very difficult indeed to converse in Spanish or to read the Spanish language. Here we go. To be, ser or estar. Ser or estar. To have, tener. Tener or tengo. Tengo. To do or to make, hacer. Hacer. To go, ir. Ir. To say or tell, decir. Decir. To see, ver. Ver. To eat, comer. Comer. To drink, beber. Beber. To come, venir. Venir. To leave, salir. Salir. To want, quiere. Quiere. To need, necesitar. Necesita. To like, gusta. Gusta. To live, vivir. Vivir. To work, trabajar. Trabajar. To speak, hablar. Hablar. To listen, escuchar. Escuchar. To walk, caminar. Caminar. To run, correr. Correr. To sleep, dormir. Dormir. To open, abrir. Abrir. To close, cerrar. Cerrar. To buy, comprar. Comprar. To pay, pagar. Pagar. To learn, aprender. Aprender. To teach, enseñar. Enseñar. To help, ayudar. Ayudar. To clean, limpiar. Limpiar. To cook, cocinar. Cocinar. To read, leer. Leer. And finally today, to write, escribir. escribir. Of course, they're the basic verbs, and they have obviously extensions according to the context that they're used. So to have would be tener, I have is tengo, and to like is gustar and gusto. And if we all listen, it is escuchamos. So obviously they're the basic verbs, and they have lots of variations according to their context, how many people are using them, whether it's singular or plural. Anyway, that is the verbs for today and the end of this session. Thank you for listening and watching. Before I go, may I ask you to subscribe and like the channel. Let's get some numbers up on this channel, that'd be great. See you next time.